Hello, Susie Queens. And hello, Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion. I'm a host. And you can acknowledge me as a Hey, I love Sushi Buffet. And I am your Swappo Sushi. Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. Guys, give us a round of applause. Because we have 1.65k. Guys, we need your support. Because I love your comments. It was single video where I posted out of this on Saturday Hill. You guys are a factor on as Celebration Sushi and never build. Guys, we need the momentum. Come on. But I love this stuff. So today's video, my dad actually made this video, and also my mom, because my mom got a good side. So we got salad, and you guessed it, potato pancakes. What's your favorite? No, you guys like salad and potato pancakes? Please comment below. Is this? Oh yeah, we're gonna eat it. It's good or not? I got a first 2 haircut because I'm going to Paris next week. I mean, awesome. It's on the vlog, by the way, so make sure you can check it out. I got so much editing to do because I have a whole backlog. But I love it because I have something to do with my hands. I love it. So yeah, so we're actually eating this, and that is good now. So let's go to what I do this today. Alrighty. What's your favorite dressing? Please comment below. I like Italian, ranch, Thousand Island, honey mustard. You never try honey mustard dipping with fries? Please comment below. Alrighty. This is sushi, yeah. This is his taste. That's good salad. And now, you can stop sour cream. Please comment below. I'm spinning around this sour cream. Alrighty. Potato pancakes. Sushi, what's this? Dude, I love it so. Wow. But afterwards, that is every show because of you guys. And that is every show. And watching what I eat can see avocado. What's a very different show and also movie on the Disney Plus. Please comment below. And watching NXT and they were backlog on WWE. But afterwards, that is every show. So thank you for watching all the videos and vlogs with my boy. So I'm not Big Ben Solo. Yo, WWE, I supported WWE, YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. You can stop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, with the Canadians, a Prime, WWE Sub, and West End. Sponsor me on this YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, and this is really just you, please. And please share the show with your very friends. I'll be really good with me, and please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter /X. And every time with that, we have a 不知道我是个小二个是谁了。苏西呀，苏西好哎，苏西好哎，苏西就好，苏西就对，苏西给你们一对，苏西好，苏西是那，see ya。